Someone has said that परेशानियों से भागना आसान होता है, परेशानियों से भागना आसान होता है और हर मुश्किल ज़िंदगी का एक इम्तिहान होता है और हिम्मत हारने वालों को कुछ नहीं मिलता दुनिया में और जीतने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता है. Thank you. So, before we start, I would like to tell you, if you like anybody's question, you can clap. If you like anything in my answer, you can clap. If I say any motivational lines or quotes, if you like it, you can clap. If you like anyone's questions, you can clap. Okay, let's start. So first, I would like to call on the platform, and her name is Ansari Umama.
Hello everyone, I am Ansari Umama. So before I ask my question, I would like to say one thing. Those of you here who have attended Sir's program, The Power of Thought, will remember that Sir said that he was suffering from an illness some time ago. So I want to ask you what you were doing at that time, what challenges did you face, and how did you get motivated? Thank you.
Okay, good. Clap for her. She asked. It's a good question. When I had a session on 26 May, The Power of Thoughts, I revealed that I was suffering from anxiety, and it was really a very terrible anxiety. I consulted with some of the doctors also. And what I was doing that time, actually, the main thing was I was trying to avoid it. I was trying to tell myself that I don't have anxiety. If you will say that I have anxiety, I have depression, I have stress, then it will attack at you. But if you will try to say that no, I don't have anxiety, I don't suffer with depression, I don't suffer with stress, then it will not attack you. Then you will attack them. Right? So I still remember I used to have anxiety in the month of Ramzan, and the whole month I suffered with it. I used to sleep a lot, means 6 hours. So I'm talking about afternoon. 4 hours, 3 hours. So after taking the classes, because in Ramzan I had only 3 batches, morning 1, evening 2, only 3 batches. So after taking batches, I used to sleep. After breaking the fast, I used to sleep. Then after 11 o'clock, I used to sleep. So it used to be very difficult for me to face or to tackle that problem. But I tried my level best to get rid of it. So whenever I used to have little bit anxiety, 10, 15, 20%, I used to go to gym. I used to attend online lectures, because that time my online lecture was going on. I had taken one course. So it was difficult, but if you try, see, anxiety is something which only you can control. This is how I tackled this problem. Thank you. Next, I would like to call Ansari Zainab.
Hello everyone, I am Ansari Zainab Habib Ahmed. What is your own poetry? Can you tell one poetry?
This one. I have written so many poems. This is my most favorite poem which I wrote in lockdown. मुश्किलों से आज लड़ना है, जीवन में आगे बढ़ना है, ख्वाबों को अपने पाकर अब खुद को साबित करना है. मुश्किलों से आज लड़ना है, जीवन में आगे बढ़ना है, ख्वाबों को अपने पाकर अब खुद को साबित करना है. ज़िंदगी के इस सफ़र में मुश्किलें हैं बेशुमार, हौसला रख अपने ऊपर और हिम्मत कभी न हार. अंधेरों से निकल कर अब रोशनी की ओर जाना है, जैसे भी हालात हो कुछ करके अब दिखाना है, मुश्किलों से आज लड़ना है, जीवन में आगे बढ़ना है, ख्वाबों को अपने पाकर अब खुद को साबित करना है. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sidra. My question is, what is the best advice you have received ever and from whom?
Very good. Best advice. The best advice which I have ever received is the one which I received from my maternal uncle, who is an automobile engineer in Dubai, and he has been living there for last 15 to 20 years. So he gave me one advice when I was very small, when I was in school. He told me that, he asked me first, what do you want to become in your life? So I was not very much sure about it. I wanted to do MBA and I wanted to become a businessman. So I just told him that I want to do MBA. So he said that whatever you do, I'm not telling you not to do MBA, but whatever you do, just become expert in your field. He said that even if you are a sweeper, you sweep on a floor. So sweep in such a way that nobody should be able to sweep like you. मतलब अगर आप एक झाड़ू लगाने वाले भी हो तो इस तरह से झाड़ू लगाओ कि आपकी तरह कोई झाड़ू ना लगा पाए. It was his example. So it hit me on the center of my forehead, and I realized that this is so important to become expert in your field, because if you become average, then nobody gives you respect. So you have to be expert in your field. So when you are passionate about something, you don't need anybody's advice. You need guidance actually. Some people can guide you, but you find your own way because you are passionate about it. जब आपको मंजिल का पता होता है ना, तो रास्ता आप खुद ढूंढते हो. फिर आपको ये नहीं बताना होता कि भाई यहाँ से राइट ले लो, यहाँ से लेफ़्ट लो, यहाँ से सीधा जाना है. फिर आपकी जो मेडिकल की जो डेस्टिनेशन है वो आएगी, फिर आपकी जो इंजीनियरिंग की जो डेस्टिनेशन है वो आएगी. फिर आपको बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, आप रास्ता खुद तलाश करते हो, और फिर जब आप वहाँ पर पहुँचते हो, देन पीपल क्लैप फॉर यू.
Sir, my question is, what is your biggest crowning glory achievement in your life, and do you have an unfulfilled dream?
Unfulfilled dream. There are many actually. Biggest achievement of my life is, I can say that Alhamdulillah, I have achieved so many things in my life, but one achievement which I feel that it is the biggest achievement of my life, when I launched my book You Are the Hero in 2021, we had invited the MLA of our city also, Mr. Rais Sheikh, but I launched this book by my mother's hand. So it is the biggest achievement for me. It was if you will watch the video, it was such an emotional scene, it was such an emotional moment for everyone, that the person who is the MLA of our city, he was also present there, but I told him that, sir, I want my mother to launch this book, because I had already made up my mind and it was clear. So I called her, and when she opened the book and when she was standing with all the great personalities, it was a great moment for me. I felt that, yeah, now I have achieved something. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that inshallah very soon I am going to write one more book which I will launch by my father. So your parents are your real role models. Your parents are your real heroes. Just give them that amount of respect. Give them that amount of value in life. Sometimes actually we do not respect our parents. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम पेरेंट्स की डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर जाते हैं, उनके साथ मिसबिहेव कर जाते हैं, उनकी बातों को नहीं सुनते. अगर आपको वाकई में अगर पेरेंट्स की अहमियत को जानना है कि उनकी वैल्यू क्या है आपकी लाइफ में, जस्ट क्लोज योर आइज एंड जस्ट फॉर 2 minutes इमेजिन योर लाइफ विदाउट देम. आप 2 मिनट के लिए अपनी आंखें बंद करो और अपनी लाइफ को उनके बगैर इमेजिन करो. अगर आपकी आंखों से आंसू नहीं आए तो मुझे कहना।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sulet. Who is your favorite poet and who is your favorite personality?
हाँ, फेवरेट पोएट एंड फेवरेट पर्सनालिटी। क्लैप बंद हो गया, क्लैपिंग बंद हो गया, टायर्ड हो गया। सो माय फेवरेट पोएट is Allama Iqbal, no doubt. I have not read much about him, but I have read some of the couplets. Couplets बोलते हैं शायरी को. I have read some of his शायरीज and I really inspired by it. One of Allama Iqbal's favorite शायरी is तहज़ीब सिखाती है जीने का सलीका, तालीम से जाहिल की जहालत नहीं जाती. And it is 100%. So Allama Iqbal, there are some poets whom I like most. The first one is Allama Iqbal because he has written some amazing couplets. When you will read it, you will enjoy. Right. So Allama Iqbal is first, and then some of the verses of Mirza Ghalib is also good. One couplet I remember Mirza Ghalib, he said that उम्र भर गालिब यही भूल करता रहा मैं कि धूल चेहरे पर थी और आईना साफ करता रहा मैं. सो ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो हमेशा दूसरों को दोष देते हैं. दे पॉइंट आउट देयर फिंगर एट अदर्स एंड दे डोंट नो दैट दिस 3 फिंगर्स आर आल्सो कमिंग एट देम. राइट. जब आप एक फिंगर दूसरों पे पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हो तो 3 फिंगर आपके ऊपर भी आ रही. सो दैट्स वाई मिर्ज़ा गालिब सेड, उम्र भर गालिब यही भूल करता रहा मैं कि धूल चेहरे पर थी और आईना साफ करता रहा. थर्ड वन इज़ a very famous poet of Bollywood industry who passed away, and he was a great ghazal singer. Can anybody take name? Ghazal singer Jagjit Singh. Jagjit Singh has written some amazing lines, amazing verses, amazing couplets. If you will listen Jagjit Singh, he had extraordinary quality. His means his voice was very different, very means something very different. Yeah, there is a ghazal in Sarfarosh movie, होश वालों को खबर क्या. This is written by Jagjit Singh. This is sung by not written by him. This is sung by him, I think. And if I talk about Jagjit Singh, so I listened one of his ghazals in which there are 2 lines. जब भी आप कोई प्रॉब्लम्स में हो, जब भी आप कोई डिफ़िकल्टीज़ में हो, ऐसा लग रहा है आपको कि ज़िंदगी बहुत मुश्किल है या आगे एक प्रॉब्लम आने वाला है, आप किसी चीज़ से डर रहे हो या किसी चीज़ का आपको डर है, तो ये 2 लाइन जगजीत सिंह ने, एक उनकी गज़ल है उसका नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है, बट वो गज़ल में 2 लाइन उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी कही है, तो वो आप अपने आप से कह सकते हो, उससे आपको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा. चलाए. इतना डरना भी क्या है दुनिया से, इतना डरना भी क्या है दुनिया से, जो भी होना है वो तो होना है. सो इतना डरना भी क्या है दुनिया से, जो भी होना है वो तो होना है. राइट. सो बहुत अच्छी उन्होंने 2 लाइन कहे और उसमें बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए हमारे. सो दीज आर माई 3 फेवरेट पोएट एंड फेवरेट पर्सनैलिटी. I can say that I listen some of the speakers like Qasim Ali Shah. I mentioned his name just before 1 week. He's a very great motivational speaker.
As you go to the gym, is it right? Sir, I heard lots of things about gym. I personally wanted to know about you that is going to gym is really change the personality or boost the confidence in our life.
The example is in 2018, 2023. See the difference.
Oh,
2018.
जिम जाने के बाद हुआ है.
हाँ, रियली. और कहाँ से होगा भाई जिम जा, उसमें शायद मैं दिख भी नहीं रहूँगा, आपको ढूंढना पड़ रहा है आपको उस फोटो में. पहले मैं स्टेज पे खड़ा रहता था तो ऑडियंस को ढूंढना पड़ता था कि कौन है स्पीकर. मैं बहुत सारी इंक्वायरीज आती थी तो लोग पूछते थे कि सर नहीं है क्या, तो मुझे बोलना पड़ता था भाई मैं ही सर हूँ. बट नाउ दे रिकॉग्नाइज मी. सो दी सी द डिफरेंस, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. व्हेन आई वाज नॉट गोइंग टू जिम, माय बॉडी वेट वाज 47 or 48, you won't believe. 48 kg. It was my body weight in 2017 or 18. Those who have seen me in 2018, they know and they will accept it. But alhamdulillah now 58. 10 kg increase. सो ये महीनों में नहीं हुआ है, हाँ ये सालों लगे इसको, 3-4 साल लगे इसको, ये महीनों में नहीं हुआ है, 3 से 4 साल। एक्सरसाइज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हैबिट, आई थिंक एवरी बॉय शुड ज्वाइन, इवन गर्ल्स ऑल्सो शुड डू सम काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज एट होम। हेल्दी बहुत, इसका बहुत फ़ायदा होगा आपको, मुझे पर्सनली बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है, बहुत मतलब अनलिमिटेड फ़ायदा हुआ है। तो मैं बॉयज़ को स्पेशली सजेस्ट करूँगा कि आप भी इफ़ यू आर 18 और 20 ईयर यू शुड ज्वाइन जिम एटलीस्ट 4 days इन अ वीक यू मस्ट डू, 4 दिन हफ्ते में आपको करना चाहिए, बहुत फ़ायदा होता है। और
Who motivates you to go gym and who is your favorite cricketer?
to go as I said that if you want to do something in your life, your inner motivation is very important. So I always try to motivate myself that I have to go to gym. For example, if I have to, how I motivate myself, I have to record my video on Saturday, I have to record my video on Sunday, so I must look good, my bicep must look good, so I just go to gym, I do exercise because I want to look good in videos and all. That's why I motivate myself to go gym. I बहुत मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा अगर कुछ इमरजेंसी रहती है या बहुत अगर मैं अच्छा फील नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो ही मैं जिम को स्किप करता हूँ, वरना मैं जल्दी नहीं करता स्किप। आफ्टर गोइंग फ्रॉम हेयर आई इमीजिएटली get dressed and then after I go to gym, I do exercise half an hour, 45 minutes enough, no need to do 3-4 hours exercise, do just half an hour, 45 minutes. I had read one quote about exercise that a bad workout is better than no workout, even a bad workout is better than no workout. So if you will go to gym, even if you do not perform any exercise properly, but still you will have a good physique after a couple of months or couple of years. But if you don't go to gym, nothing will happen.